Welcome. In this video I'll be talking about the selection sort algorithm. Please subscribe. The selection sort is a simple and intuitive sorting algorithm. Although not the most efficient for large set lists, it's a great educational tool for understanding the basic concept of sorting. In this tutorial we'll explore how the selection sort algorithm works and provide a step-by-step example to illustrate the process. So selection sort works by repeatedly selecting the smallest or largest, depending on the sorting order, element from the unsorted portion of the list and swapping it with the first unsorted element. This process continues until the entire list is sorted. Here are the steps in more detail. So first we're going to start with the first element. And we're going to assume that's the minimum. Second, we're going to find the minimum element. We're going to traverse the list to find the actual minimum and element in the unsorted parts. Traverse the list. Third, we're going to swap the found minimum element with the first element of the unsorted part. We're going to do the actual swap. Swap actual with first unsorted element. And then we're going to repeat this process. Repeat. We're going to move the boundary between the sorted and unsorted parts one element forward. Repeat the process until the list is sorted. Repeat until whole list is sorted. So let's walk through an example. So let's say we have 64, 25, 12, 22, and 11. So we're gonna do pass 1. We're gonna assume 64 is the minimum. And we're gonna find the minimum among, so first, so we're gonna do 64, 25, 12, 22, and 11. Okay, so we're gonna start with 64 and then we're gonna check for the minimum. The minimum here is gonna be 11. So we're gonna swap it. So this will become 11, 25, 12, 22, and 64. Okay, so right now we're gonna do pass 2. So right now it's 11, 25, 12, 22, and 64. So now we're here. I'm gonna check for the minimum. The minimum is 12, so we're gonna do 11, 12, 25, 22, and 64. We're gonna do pass 3. So right now we're 11, 12, 25, 22, and 64. Right now we're here. I'm gonna check for minimum. That will be 22. So this will become 11, 12, 22, 25, and 64. We're gonna do past 4, so we're at 11. Notice the list is already sorted, but we're using the algorithm, we have to go through the whole list. Okay, so right now we're at we did 22, so right now we're at 25. So 25 is already the minimum, so we're gonna say continue, and then we do pass 5, which is looking at the last one. Be 11, 12, 22, 25, and 64. So we can say stop list is sorted. So we look at an example, we remember the first pass, the first element is you assume the first element is the minimum, then we swap with the minimum from the rest of the list, which is from here to here, and we'll repeat this process until the whole list is sorted. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.